Hello, I choose joy. We are making our own hot dog buns today. I've actually made hot dog buns before, but I use regular bread flour. This time, I'm using, it's gonna be great. Come on, let me show you how it's done. "11 minutes to go." Ta-da! Okay, they look kind of funny, but they gonna eat right. Okay, so we have seen what the buns look like once I took them out of the oven proofing, and now we are waiting for the oven to get up to 350 degrees, and we will place the buns in the oven to cook. Now, let me start grilling these hot dogs, and let's see you later. Mmm, delicious.